Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with a Knit and Natter Vlogmas all about my cups of tea. Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. Yes, we're talking about what teas I drink while I'm knitting and why I drink tea while I'm knitting. If you enjoyed yesterday's video, it's all about what I eat while I'm knitting, so you might want to go back and have a look at that as well if you didn't see it. But today I'm talking about my tea. I can't get on very well without a cup of tea by my side. I was diagnosed with a strange stomach condition when I was a child and I wasn't allowed any caffeine, so I was moved over to herbal teas, and what I have in here is something that the doctor suggested because it tastes a bit like tea, normal tea, and it doesn't have any caffeine in it, and that is rooibos. And I love my rooibos now. I just gained the palate for it over those years, and I can drink caffeine now. I will have a decaf flat white occasionally. If you go out to a coffee shop, I will really indulge because I have a coffee once a week maybe, but I love my rooibos tea, and that's really nice for this time of year. It's warm, it feels enriching. It's got a real body to it, especially when I put some milk in there too, because I drink it like normal tea. I drink it with some milk. So I love this. I love my rooibos tea. And you know that anyway, if you read my Instagram profile and you read my about page on my website, you know that I'm a rooibos tea drinker. Though other times of year, especially as it gets colder and colder in January and February, I will move over to lemon and ginger more often, because lemon and ginger feels so warming. It's got that real richness of the ginger to it. So I love lemon and ginger tea. I will also use the tea bags quite happily, but sometimes, especially if I'm drinking it a lot, I will put frozen lemon slices in the freezer, and I will freeze some ginger root as well, and then I can just pick some bits out and make it myself quite quickly with some boiling water. Done. So it's a real fresh lemon and ginger tea then. And in the summer I will move over to peppermint tea more often, and of course I'll drink water then as well, but peppermint feels really cleansing and clean and fresh. It's a lot easier to drink, I feel, than rooibos sometimes when it is really hot. So I will move over to more peppermint and more water. But yeah, rooibos, probably 9 to 10 months of the year, it's what I drink more often than anything else. So I really love it. Do put in the comments below what you drink while you're knitting. I drink tea when I'm knitting because it feels like home. I've been drinking tea since I was a teenager, and I've been drinking rooibos tea since I was 18 or 19, and knitting and rooibos tea just seem to go together. So I love it, and even if I've got my knitting going in the evening, I will make a cup, or my husband will offer me a cup, and it will make sense. It will totally make sense. So yeah, I'd love to hear what it is, which teas that you drink while you're knitting. Probably a glass of wine or a Prosecco makes your knitting go a bit wonky. That's the problem, isn't it? But yeah, do let me know what it is that you love to drink while you're knitting in the comments below. I will see you again tomorrow. We have a couple more Vlogmas videos left, and don't worry, I will be with you every Tuesday, including Christmas Day and New Year's Day as well. So hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell if you want to be notified of those videos appearing. I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Happy knitting.